Hi everyone, I'm Lisa and now I will show you how to make an unusual embroidery with vertical stitches from beads. So this is an easy tutorial about embroidery without a hoop. I made a DIY keychain in the shape of a fluffy heart. You can make crafts of any shape and colors with this embroidery. You can use any beads. This is a great gift idea for Valentine's Day. Do it yourself something unusual for your friends. These keychains look very cute, they are so pleasant to the touch. So you can embroider it such a heart with red beads. You can use beads of different sizes and shapes. So friends, and you can also do this embroidery on clothes. You can also make a brooch, bracelet or bag decoration using this embroidery. You can make an embroidered necklace with your own hands or decorate with this heart macrame decor. So friends, subscribe, like and let's go! I do this embroidery on felt using two types of beads, a bead thread and a thin bead needle. First, you just need to sew the beads to the edges of the heart using circular stitches. Now I will sew vertical stitches all over the heart. I take 3 beads. You can also make stitches with 2 or 4 beads. So the top bead must always be removed to the side and the remaining beads I pierce again with a needle like this. I pierce only one layer of felt with the needle and bring the needle back to the top at a short distance. So this way I embroider the entire surface of the heart. Stitches with beads are arranged tightly to each other. Thank you so much for watching the video to the end. Subscribe, friends. I will prepare for you many more unusual ideas for creativity.